Today, guys, I'm going to be unboxing this fuel pump. It's a CARQUEST brand pump, and I picked it up at a good deal. It's actually going into my C30 project, which is the same as a C10, R10, K10. You know, it's that Silverado. We're getting ready to put a LS in it soon, and we figured we'd go ahead and upgrade the fuel system. Well, the first piece of the puzzle is this fuel pump. One of the reasons I picked it up, it's around 40 bucks, I think. That's what I paid for it, maybe 30. That is the part number, if you were looking for it. And this should be the exact fuel pump you would need to feed your LS without going with one of those big expensive brands. And as you can see, this is a brand new unit. Come with instructions. We will be upgrading the sending unit, which is a little difficult to get in at the moment. This is very well packaged. I'm very surprised of how exactly well packaged this is. I think this is the first time I ever got a fuel pump that was surrounded in its own little case. And this is the pump itself. And it's got the CARQUEST logo. It's a direct replacement for GM. And I think he's fit up to like a 98 Chevy, 91. We're going to be using a sending unit from like a Suburban or so with the throttle body. Since my truck is just a vacuum fed at the moment, it don't have a sending unit. We bought a new tank and everything. That will be in upcoming videos, and I'm sure I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do it too, and what all parts I use. This is one of the parts that I will be using, so I'm going to do an unboxing video. And if you're just looking into buying one of these pumps, you can see what you get in the kit before you make the purchase or go with a different brand. But we get 2 new O-rings, which is always nice. We get the pump. This goes around your pump. Your pump actually sits down in this right here, kind of like keeps it from welding or whatnot. 2 clamps, a connector hole right here. We got the filter sock. I don't see a filter sock. Was there a filter sock on that, guys? Or do I have to buy one? There are no filter socks, so we might actually have to purchase a filter sock for this. Unless it comes with the sending unit. I'm not 100%. You know, there's a little filter socket, usually a screen that goes on these. Most applications I've seen. So I'm going to put everything back up the way it came out of the box, and that way we can keep up with it for when new parts come in. So if you found this video and information helpful, be sure to drop a like, leave a comment. I enjoy hearing from everyone. And be sure to show your support for the channel by smashing that subscribe button. And I keep bringing you videos daily if I can. So check back, even if I ain't a notification. I try to upload something new every single day. Thank you for watching.